Act 1. Hook. Beginning, soft, cinematic voice. Slow pacing. Pauses for impact. Have you ever noticed that the world outside is never as powerful as the world inside? A word from someone you love can warm your heart for years, or wound you in seconds. A single memory can bring you peace, or keep you awake at night. We live not in the world as it is, but in the world as we experience it, and yet, few ever ask the question, can I change this inner experience? Is there a science, a hidden art, to transforming the way I feel, perceive, and live? Pause. Deeper tone. This is the hidden science of transforming inner experience, a science as old as humanity itself, and as personal as the thoughts echoing inside your own mind. Act 2. Rising tension. The struggle. Within, reflective, slightly heavier tone. Storytelling builds tension. We are taught how to solve equations, how to build machines, how to master the outer world. But who teaches us how to face the storm within? I remember nights when silence felt louder than thunder, when every thought became a mirror showing me fears I tried to escape. The outer world told me to achieve, to succeed, to keep moving. But inside, I felt restless, as if my own emotions were rivers I could not control. And then it struck me. Maybe the real battlefield was not outside. Maybe it was inside. And if I could learn to transform this inner landscape, the outer world would no longer rule me. Ancient wisdom agrees. Modern science confirms. Between every thought and every feeling, there is space. And in that space lies the power to transform.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring content every week.